A Galaxy Assistant AI Copilot app for Android is an advanced digital assistant designed to enhance productivity and streamline user experiences on mobile devices. This app leverages artificial intelligence to understand user preferences and provide proactive assistance in various tasks such as scheduling, navigation, and information retrieval. The app typically features voice recognition capabilities, allowing users to interact with it hands-free. Users can ask questions, set reminders, send messages, or control smart home devices, making it a versatile tool for managing daily activities. Additionally, the AI Copilot often learns from user behavior over time, offering personalized suggestions and recommendations based on past interactions. This can include optimizing device settings, recommending apps, or providing insights into efficiency improvements. Some Galaxy Assistant apps may integrate seamlessly with other applications and services, enhancing their functionality further. Overall, the Galaxy Assistant AI Copilot serves as a valuable companion for Android users, aiming to simplify routines, improve organization, and provide instant access to information and functionality on the go.